Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best twin bed box spring is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of a comfortable and supportive sleep setup, acting as the foundational layer that dictates how well your mattress performs and how long it lasts. Without the right box spring, even the most luxurious mattress can feel subpar, leading to discomfort, reduced support, and premature wear and tear, making the selection process a vital step in achieving optimal sleep quality and protecting your mattress investment. Number 5. Sleepmaster Smart Box Spring Twin. Introducing the Sleepmaster Smart Box Spring, a reliable foundation for your mattress. It offers exceptional support and durability for a better sleep experience. Built with a strong and sturdy steel interior frame, this box spring is designed to last. Its robust construction ensures long-term stability for your bed. Encased in a soft knitted polyester cover, it provides a clean and finished look. This durable fabric protects the frame while adding a touch of comfort. Assembly is a breeze with all the necessary tools included. You'll have it set up in no time, ready to support your mattress. It arrives in convenient and compact packaging, making it easy to transport and handle. Unpack it effortlessly and get your new bed ready. Rest assured with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind. We stand behind the quality and durability of this essential bedding component. What we like? This option boasts a strong steel frame for excellent durability. It comes with all tools for a hassle-free setup. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-assemble foundation with a good warranty, this is a solid choice. What people say? The bed frame is very sturdy and well-made. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The low-profile design fits perfectly with my mattress. Number 4. Amazon Basics Smart Box Spring Bed Base. Tired of complicated bed frames? Our Smart Box Spring offers tool-free assembly in minutes, providing a stable foundation for your mattress. No matter your preference, it works perfectly with all mattress types. Enjoy enhanced comfort and stability for a better night's sleep. Crafted with durable steel and horizontal slats, it offers robust support. The twin size holds up to 350 pounds, with larger sizes supporting up to 700 pounds. Its smart design makes setup a breeze. Plus, the removable zip cover allows for easy spot cleaning, keeping your bed fresh. Get the convenient support you need for a great night's rest. It's the ideal base for any mattress, enhancing its comfort and longevity. What we like? This foundation is designed to significantly boost your mattress's comfort and stability. Its tool-free, interlocking design makes setup a breeze. If you need a versatile base that supports all mattress types and offers impressive weight capacity, this is the one for you. What people say? This box spring is very sturdy and provides excellent support for my mattress. The low-profile design is perfect for my platform bed, giving it a sleek look. Assembly was surprisingly easy, took me less than 15 minutes to put together. Number 3. Amazon Basics 5-inch Smart Box Spring. Experience enhanced mattress comfort and stability with this Smart Box Spring. It provides a solid foundation for a better night's sleep. No matter your mattress preference, this foundation has you covered. It's designed to support spring, memory foam, latex, and hybrid mattresses. Rest assured with its robust construction. It offers substantial weight support, ensuring durability and stability for years to come. Setting up your new bed base is a breeze. Its innovative design allows for quick, tool-free assembly in just minutes. Built with a durable steel frame and horizontal slats, it provides unwavering support for your mattress. Enjoy a sturdy and reliable base. Maintenance is simple with its removable, zip-off cover. Spot cleaning is easy, keeping your bed base looking fresh. What we like? This choice offers a lower profile, which can be great for making your bed feel less bulky. It also features tool-free assembly for quick setup. If you prefer a lower bed height and need a foundation that works with any mattress, consider this option. What people say? The box spring is easy to assemble and set up. It provides excellent support for the mattress, preventing sagging. The low-profile design fits well with most bed frames. Number 2. ZINUS 7-inch Metal Smart Box Spring. Experience superior support with its strong and sturdy steel structure. It's built to last, offering dependable foundation for your mattress. Setting it up is a breeze. All the necessary tools are included, making assembly quick and hassle-free. It arrives conveniently packaged, making it easy to transport and handle. Unpack and assemble with ease. Enjoy the benefits of a traditional box spring, but with enhanced durability. This steel foundation is designed for long-lasting use. Available in various sizes to fit your needs, it also comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Built with a strong and sturdy steel structure, this foundation is made for long-lasting use. It arrives in convenient, compact packaging, making it easy to handle. If you value durability and a straightforward, long-lasting solution, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The box spring is low profile and fits perfectly under the mattress. It provides excellent support for the mattress, preventing any sagging. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. Number 1. Hercules 8-inch high-profile foundation mattress box spring replacement, twin. Tired of bulky box springs? This platform offers the same great support without the extra height. Its sturdy slats ensure your mattress stays comfortable and lasts longer. Achieve a modern, minimalist look with its 8-inch profile. It fits perfectly with contemporary decor, providing a solid foundation without compromising style. Built with high-quality materials, this frame is incredibly durable and stable. It can support up to 550 pounds, offering a reliable foundation for years of use. Experience peaceful nights thanks to its noise-free design. Non-slip tape on the slats prevents mattress shifting, eliminating creaks and groans for undisturbed sleep. Perfect for any room, its compact design allows for easy underbed storage. It's an ideal choice for smaller spaces, guest rooms, or dorms, maximizing your living area. What we like. Experience a quieter night's sleep with its noise-free design and non-slip slats. The high-profile look fits well with modern decor. If you're seeking a sturdy, quiet, and stylish foundation replacement, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This box spring is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to assemble and set up. The low-profile design fits perfectly with my bed frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.